All right, I'm gonna do a quick video about my options trading strategy and show you the stocks that I do trade the leaps on. And leaps options are a great way to grow a small account or grow your account also, and to capitalize on the stock moving up. And one of the best stocks I've traded leaps on since when it was trading at 89, now it's at 339, is Microsoft. And the reason I like leaps on Microsoft is that it's a growth company. They're doing share buybacks, so the shares will rise. Also, the option prices are pretty cheap because the implied volatility is low. So if I go out a year from now, let's look at a date a year from now, which is going to be January the 20th, 2023. That's over a year. And here are some of the options that are close to the money, but I will go a little farther out. So if I bought a leap today, it would be somewhere up around this price here, around 385. And as you can see, some of the stock, you can see how it's rising. Well, you have some falling dates or some lower days, but if we would have bought this, let's look at something that's close. If we would have bought this years ago, about a year ago, it'll be going way through the roof at this time because of the time decay. But leaps are a great way to really grow your account. And what leaps are is just a long call or a long put that's a year, that has an expiration date that's a year or longer. Sometimes you can go 2 to 3 years on certain stocks by buying a call option 2 to 3 years out and just letting it rise up in price. Home Depot is another one that I did this on. And when Home Depot was at like $125, I was doing leaps on it. So now it has went way up. And also leaps work great on stocks with, around a 25% volatility, implied volatility range, that are growing, stocks that are growing and rising. So, and this is another one. If I did a year out, I'll go to that same date. Let's see. Let's go find something. 2023. Yeah, I would be around this range here. So as you can see, look at this. Look at how this is just going up. Home Depot is just, it's been a beast lately, And I did this also on Apple. And here's an ETF that I like buying leaps on too, is QQQ. Let's look at option prices here. This right here buys almost all the top tech companies because it's an ETF. And I want to go another year, and it has a lot of volume too. It's another one you can, let's see. Yeah, if I was getting the leap, and look, I'll get it, go farther down this price. Implied volatility is low and everything. So it's another one to do leaps on. And of course, Lowe's. Let's look at Lowe's option prices going a year out. Lowe's is another one that I love doing leaps on. So look at this. So all the potential there. Dang. Yeah, I'm currently holding some, leaps now that I'm going to trade is, in January. And there's another one. VGT is another one that I like doing leaps on. But this has a lot of low volume, so you got to be wary of the bid spread. Other than that, man, I just love trading this. But they only usually goes about 6 months out, so I can pick up. It's around 450. I'll probably pick up something a little higher than that, maybe around this range, 475, and just let it sit in. It'll rise. But I own stock in this too, VGT. So, and it's been going at a great pace. But anyway, that's it. That's my basic leap options trading strategy. Looking for something that's going to grow with a lot of volume, that you can buy a year from now, and the stock is going to rise past that price that you set. And what's been easy money lately is Microsoft, Home Depot, Apple, QQQ, Lowe's, VGT. What else I don't have up here? Netflix, just all these growth companies that you're seeing that's growing. So they are the best ones to do your leap options on, to buy your leap calls. But anyway, I'm out. That was it.